And now the knives are out in the Congress party after the huge upset defeat in Haryana. The knives are out in the Congress. Kumari Selja has openly now hit out at her arch rival within the party, Bhupinder Singh Hooda. She says, who is responsible for the Congress loss? Accountability needs to be fixed. She hasn't taken their names, but it is totally clear who she's talking about because she's been dropping hints all through this entire election campaign, making her feud with the Hoodas a very, very big marker through the entire Congress fight for Haryana. Take a look at what Kumari Selja of the Congress party has just said.
निराशाजनक है नतीजे। हम सुबह तक हमें पूरी उम्मीद थी, हमारे सभी वर्कर बहुत निराश हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने जो 10 साल सहा है कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए, इन्होंने खून पसीना बहाया है। आज जब ऐसा नतीजा आता है तो निराश हो जाते हैं सब। निराशाजनक बात है ये। स्टेट में क्या मैसेज गया है, किस लिए लोग कांग्रेस की सरकार बनाते हुए पीछे हट गए हैं। जो एक माहौल बनाया राहुल जी ने, वो उस माहौल को एकदम निगेट कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया। इसके लिए क्या कारण हुए, ये सब बातें देखनी पड़ेंगी।
Manjeet Sehgal, my colleague, joins us live from Ambala in Haryana. Manjeet, Kumari Selja not mincing her words, not naming the Hoodas directly, but clearly she's in a position now to, attack them pretty directly. The differences were apparent during the campaign as well, and now it looks like Kumari Selja is not going to censor herself. This is the infighting that we were talking about. I don't think Manjeet can hear me. I'm going to go across to him in just a while. Manjeet, I'm going to try it again. Can you hear me, Manjeet? I don't think Manjeet can hear me.
Victory march after he was declared winnership. He has won this election as much as 7 times. All we know is this, that the Bharatiya Janata Party in Haryana has already crossed the majority mark and is now heading for a hat-trick which has already been made. Now the sources according to the party say that Prime Minister Narendra Modi just called Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, congratulated him and has assured him that he will continue to be the Chief Minister of Haryana. We are with Anil Vij, who had staked claim on Chief Minister's post, but now the party high command has already made it clear that Nayab Singh Saini will continue.
Go full frame on the visual. Has brandished a sword directly at the Hoodas, who are the chieftains of the Congress party in Haryana. There is talk on the ground that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have not been very happy with the Hoodas in terms of how they had once wanted to form their own party. But the entire Haryana campaign had been left to the Hoodas. Kumari Selja had expressed her misgivings more than once, albeit not directly, but now the knives are truly out. Let's listen in to Kumari Selja once again.
निराशाजनक है नतीजे। हम सुबह तक हमें पूरी उम्मीद थी, हमारे सभी वर्कर बहुत निराश हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने जो 10 साल सहा है कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए, इन्होंने खून पसीना बहाया है। आज जब ऐसा नतीजा आता है तो निराश हो जाते हैं सब। निराशाजनक बात है ये। स्टेट में क्या मैसेज गया है, किस लिए लोग कांग्रेस की सरकार बनाते हुए पीछे हट गए हैं। जो एक माहौल बनाया राहुल जी ने, वो उस माहौल को एकदम निगेट कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया। इसके लिए क्या कारण हुए, ये सब बातें देखनी पड़ेंगी। निराशाजनक है नतीजे। हम सुबह तक हमें पूरी उम्मीद थी, हमारे सभी वर्कर बहुत निराश हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने जो 10 साल सहा है कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए, इन्होंने खून पसीना बहाया है। आज जब ऐसा नतीजा आता है तो निराश हो जाते हैं सब। निराशाजनक बात है ये। स्टेट में क्या मैसेज गया है, किस लिए लोग कांग्रेस की सरकार बनाते हुए पीछे हट गए हैं। जो एक माहौल बनाया राहुल जी ने, वो उस माहौल को एकदम निगेट कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया। इसके लिए क्या कारण हुए, ये सब बातें देखनी पड़ेंगी।
Political reactions from the BJP and the Congress on the win in Haryana have been coming in, as you can imagine, after an absolute roller coaster of a day. Picture this, viewer, at about 9:30 in the... Okay, I apologize, viewer, for the disruptions on this show. I'm going to try and get in a reporter who can hear me now. Asim Basi is with me live from Sirsa. Asim, first of all, let me check if I can hear you properly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can get you.
Asim, the Kumari Selja has directly attacked the Hoodas now. It appears that the enmity is out in the open. Now that the Congress has been defeated in this very humiliating fashion in Haryana, the knives are out.
Yeah, definitely. Daggers are out. From day one, we know that Congress, there was a vertical conflict within the Congress leadership. Hooda never wanted Shailja to proceed in this election much. And this was one reason she was stopped from even contesting the election at a time when Kumari Shailja stopped going from campaign for 10 to 12 days. She went into the shell. She was not in the campaign. Nobody from the Hooda camp went to placate her, talk to her. But then she started campaigning just because of the High Command intervened. And even we could see a picture where Rahul Gandhi was seen bringing both Kumari Shailja and Hooda together. So in a way, the entire Congress campaign was basically surrounded by Bhupinder Hooda and Dipinder Hooda, and Randeep Surjewala and Kumari Shailja, who also seniors in the state of Haryana. They were kept at bay. And so now when the BJP has done a hat-trick in Haryana, and the Congress party, which was very, very confident that yes, they will end a 10-year drought this time, has been left waiting yet again. The daggers are out, and Kumari Shailja has indirectly made a scathing attack that yes, responsibility should be fixed, and there should be a responsibility must be identified that Rahul Gandhi made a great congenial atmosphere for the Congress party in Haryana, but how that atmosphere did not turn into victory has to be probed. And she said that definitely somebody has to take the responsibility. And yes, these things will happen in Congress now, because this was one state in which the Congress party was very confident. Even you can see the differences were there. Bhupinder Singh Hooda did his own yatra. Kumari Shailja did her own yatra here. Although getting good indications from Haryana, Rahul Gandhi spent 3-4 days, did a yatra here, but all went wrong for the Congress party, and this is the reason now that Kumari Shailja has questioned that who has to take the responsibility of this defeat now. Yes.
Stay with me, Asim. If the Congress party, of course, is now busy officially rejecting the verdict in Haryana and saying that this is a manipulation of democracy, but meanwhile the knives are out in the Congress party. Top leaders now appearing to attack each other now that the verdict is out. Preeti is also with us. Preeti has been traveling extensively through Haryana as well. She's been reporting on many of the leaders that you're now seeing speaking about each other. Preeti, how much of a role did this whole feud between Kumari Shailja and the Hoodas actually play in what we've seen today? And right now she's attacking them pretty openly.
But Shiv, the knives are not just out now, the knives were always out. And if today Kumari Shailja is seeking accountability, which she must, and I would think every cadre and every leader of the Congress must seek accountability on what went down in Haryana, then Kumari Shailja should or would be held equally accountable. Maybe the Hoodas more, because they had complete reign on ticket distribution. But the last 10 days of this election played out, especially where the feuding and the internal factionalism within the Congress right out in the open, especially at a time where the Bharatiya Janata Party was working on the Dalit, push for the party. You had a Kumari Shailja who openly targeted the Hoodas, and that didn't work well. So if there is accountability that needs to be sought, then it needs to be sought, yes, definitely from the Hoodas. And in all probability, this would see the last election for 77-year-old Bhupinder Hooda. But Kumari Shailja herself would also need to shoulder some of that responsibility and accountability. Was this the best way, or the best face that the Congress could have put forth where the senior leadership of Haryana were concerned? Kumari Shelja fought this battle out in the open. Did it benefit the Congress? It's very clear right now that it didn't. So once she seeks accountability, she needs to also, somewhere down the line, admit that she too is accountable.
Preeti, thanks very much for that. We're going to be hearing more, I bet, from many of these leaders. There will be interviews given and more details and hard questions asked. And Preeti is absolutely right. The knives have always been out. It's perhaps only more explicit now that the numbers and the verdict is clear.